Good morning, guys. Welcome to math class. Let's begin our week reviewing place value, read and write numbers. These are topics for our next exam. Remember that a place value chart is a chart that help us know or understand the value of a digit according to its position.
Copy that, miss.
No.
Okay.
Okay, according to its positions. You have a place value chart in the book on page, because it's included in the topics. It is on page 6. Page 6, you have the place value chart. Now,
Miss, your microphone.
so the number 1 is in the ones position, so its value is 1. The number 2 is tens, 2 tens. What is the value of this number 2, class? According to its position. Yeah,
20.
it's 20, exactly. These two are 20. What about this one? 500. So the value of this digit is 500. What about this 4? It's in the thousand position, so I have to write. According to its position, I have to add zeros. How many? 1, 2, 3, because it's in the 4th position, so I have to add 3 zeros. What about here? This is in the 10,000 position, so I have to add 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Where my numbers are not the best. 70,000, because this is a 10. So 70 is a 10. And then 1,000, the 3 zeros. Then this one is 100,000. So this one has 4 zeros. This one might have 5. So it is 600. It has 5 zeros. See? Oh, this one has 5 zeros. And the last one is 1,000,000. Needs to have 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I separate the periods. I place a comma every 3 digits. And to place a comma, you need to start from the right. Empieza a contar a la derecha, de la derecha hacia la izquierda. 1, 2, 3 posiciones y agrega una coma. No comienza de la izquierda, comienza de la derecha, de acá. 1, 2, 3, comma. 1, again, 1, 2, 3, comma. So this is 3 millions. According, again, to its position, every digit has a specific value. So how do we read this number? 3,674,000, then 521. You're gonna read the numbers in groups of 3, in grupos de 3. That's how you have to read it. For example, you have 674. You can read this number, 674. But then it has a comma, so you have to add the word 1,000. 674,000. And the next number, 521. This is how you have to read it. Así es como se les ha enseñado a leer números en grupos de 3, después miles. And no problem with that. No problem with that. So, miles, este es 3, pero como está en la posición 7, que son millones. 3,674,521. Grupos de 3, ¿ok? Now, let's do this exercise. According to, we have to write the number in the correct position.
In the notebook, please. Copy that.
No, not yet. No. So,
Okay.
how are we going to do it? Let's begin by writing the last number at the right. The last number, okay? See? So the number 7 is a 1s, 4 10s, 500, 4,000, 110,000, and 900,000. Do we have million? Do we have million?
Yes.
Where? What is a million? In this
In
number.
the first. No, miss.
No, it doesn't have
No.
million. It doesn't have. The last one is 100,000. Then the next one, we have 3, 6, 8, and 2. It is important to understand that you have to begin writing the numbers at the right. At the right, okay? The next one, 5, 8, 2.
Copy that, right?
No, you don't need to copy this. 5. The last one is a 10,000. 89. It has only one sentence. Then 3, 0, 4, 9, 9, and 3. No million. 7, 3, 4, 0, 9, 0, 0, 7. 70,000. I have a 10,000. 90. And the last one, 6. So what is the value of this number? What is the value of this 5? What is the value according to its position?
Hundreds.
It's 100. Exactly. It's 100. What about this 9?
Ones.
Ones. And these 3?
100,000.
100,000. Yes, that's the value of the number according to its position. What is the value of this number 4?
100.
100. And this 4? This 4,000. Exactly. The value of that number is 1,000. Okay. Now, copy these 4 exercises, A, B, C, and D. A, B, C, and D. Copy in the notebook. Copy in the notebook and copy the instruction. Find the value of the underlined digit. Copy the instruction. Find the value of the underlined digit. Find the value of the underlined digit. Okay? Copy that instruction.
You have your microphone off.
Copy the instruction. Find the value of the underlined digit. Did you finish? Okay, the first exercise. Copy the number. 703, because remember you have to read numbers in groups of 3, or you have to read numbers according to period. So the first one is 703. Don't forget the comma. 703,890. 890. 890. So what is the value of the underlying digit? In this case, is a 7. What is the value? What is the value? Isa, do you know what is the value of the number 7? Exactly. You only have to count in what positions it is. It's in the 6th position. So you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 100. 100,000. That's what you have to do. 100,000. That's the value of the number 7. It's 100,000. 100,000.
Miss,
Yes.
the number 4 of the second one is in the 100 place.
Is in the 100 place. The number 2. Look at what positions it is.
No, it's not. In the tens.
Exactly. This is in the 10th positions. Is a 10. Is a 10. Exactly. Because it's in the 2nd position. It's in the 2nd position. The next one. Are you copying the numbers? So far, so good. Victor, what is the value of this number? Number 8. Victor? Victor, what is the value of this number 8 in exercise C? What is it?
Then 100 and tens.
No, just the number 8, this one. If you say 100, this one. You say 10, this one. Or you say 100,000 or 10,000. This is in a specific position. In what is the position? What is the value of that digit?
Can I help?
No, because he needs to understand the topic. You have to count the position. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you count here in the place value chart. The same, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. What is the value? Victor, what is the value?
10,000.
Exactly, 10,000. That's the value. You have to count. It's very simple. 10,000. Okay. Sebastian, what is the value of the number 5? Exercise D.
What?
What is the value of the number 5?
100,000
How 100,000? This one.
and
You have to
100.
count. 100 is in the third position. This is what you have to count. Okay, Sebastian? You have to count. See, 1, 2,
1,
3,
2, 4.
4. 4 is the number 5. The underlined digit, it's underlined. So it's in the 1, 2, 3, 4 position. So you count 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the value? 1,000. Exactly. 1,000. The value is 1,000. 1,000. Okay. Crystal, what is the value of this number 3?
Miss,
Crystal, what is the value of this number 3? Exercise E. You have to count the position. You have to count the position. Look, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the value?
10,000.
10,000, exactly. You have to learn to read the place value chart. Use the place value chart. It is very useful. Yeah?
Me?
Yes.
I like this. This is easy. This.
Yes, it is very easy. Alan, exercise F. What is the value of the number 3? What is it, Alan?
1,000.
Yes, it is. 1,000. Excellent, Alan. 1,000. Excellent. Hazel. What is the value of the number 2?
10.
Tens is the second position. The number 2 is not in the second position.
Once.
Ones, exactly. It's in the first position. So it's ones. Ones. Excellent. Melanie, the last one.
The last one is 100,000.
Yes, 100,000. It's in the sixth position. 100,000. Excellent. Remember that I said that you have to copy some of the exercises, not all of them. Okay, so I am going to change this. I hope you copy the exercises you did. You copy completed.
Yes, Miss.
I am going to erase. Next exercises. Remember that we have 3 ways to write a number. 3 ways to write a number. Let me see what time is it. Okay, copy this, please. Copy this. There are 3
copy
ways.
that too.
Yes, copy this. There are 3 ways to write a number. Copy. There are 3 ways to write a number. Hurry up because we have few minutes.
But I don't think the number.
Yeah, but you don't need to copy all the exercises. Just some of them. Some of them. Okay, there are 3 ways to write a number. The first way, standard form. That's the first way. Daniel, copy please. Standard form. That's the first way. Standard form. Gabriel, copy please. There are 3 ways to write a number. Standard form. Well, standard form is the way we write the number. See, 2,262,400. That number is written in a standard form.
I have a question.
What's your question?
All the worksheets, and we need to take a photo and go to the school routine.
No, only the students that are not in class. I have 2 absentees, Maria Fernanda and Christopher. Because you are in class, you don't need to take a picture. You don't need to upload anything in a school routine because you are here, okay? Now, this is the standard form, the first one. The second way is word form. Second way, word form. Word. We use words to write the number. This one is the same number, 262,400. 262,400. And the last way is expanded form. Expanded form of a number depends on its position. Okay? Depend on its position. Depend on its position. For example, the number 2, this first number is in the 6th position, so we replace the other spaces with 0, like this. Don't copy the numbers I am doing. Then the next one is a 6, okay? It's a 6, so I replace with 0 the next positions. See? Next number is a number 2. And again, I completed the spaces using zeros. Then I have a number 4. And after the number 4, I have 2 digits, which are zeros. And the next ones, I don't write it down because they are zeros. So my last form is 200,000 plus 60,000 plus 2,000 plus 400. Okay, so again, I replace the spaces at the right using zeros. 200,000 plus 60,000 plus 2,000 plus 400. And I don't add the zeros, plus 0 plus 0. It is not necessary because those zeros are not gonna change the answer. The answer will be the same. That's why. Oh, and because in the 10th position, we have 0. In the 1's position, we have 0. So It's not gonna change.
Finish, miss. Finish, miss. Miss, I finished to copy.
Okay, you finished the copy?
Yes, miss.
And the rest of the kids? But I have
Yes.
some exercises here.
I finished.
Did you? Okay. I am going to continue with more exercises tomorrow. Okay? If you finish, you can dismiss the class. See you after recess.
Bye, miss. Bye, miss.
Bye-bye.
Bye, miss. Bye, miss.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye, miss.